every single person. Now I'm really excited. Anyway, hey, this is me. Today, I've got my unboxing. Yes, my unboxing has finally came. I've been waiting nearly a full month for this thing. It's a Hatsune Miku shirt. I'm gonna open this. So, thank you to Toreba, or my mum. My mum actually won this for me on the Toreba game. Also she has a site, go check her out. It's gonna be linked in the description. Anyway, so I'm not gonna show you the fully shirt yet. You can see, it shows that. Okay. Oh. That's fully from Japan. What else did they do? Oh, it's so good. Okay, I need to put that in another angle so you guys can actually see it properly. Okay, so it should be in another angle right now so you guys can actually see this. And I'll wear it. Come on. The bloody, okay, it's very hard to stack this camera up since I'm only using my iPad officially. Okay, there we go. From officially Japan. So, let me just show you this, if you can see. It's a very good shirt. It shows, I think, Hatsune Miku wearing this very reddish and yellowish dress. It has lots of good colors, holding a Japanese tennis thing and singing, which was with a lollipop and with a little bonk cat. Well, I would say just a little anime mask, if you can see. I'm sorry if you can't see. I'm very, 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 very sorry if you can see. I think it's up right. It's up there, if you can see where it, okay, right where I'm pointing, right there. See? Yeah, that. I'm gonna put it on, so I'll see you when I put this on. Yeet, let's go put this on. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, so I think this is my favorite shirt right now. Okay, I'm gonna go show you this. So you can see this is one of my favorite shirts now. See that? It's Hatsune Miku. Thank you. Thank you, Toreba, and thank you to my mum. This is just a little short unboxing video. If you really like these unboxing videos, if you want me to post more on my channel, I'm hoping you guys do like this because I do put a lot of effort into this. And thank you for watching. Peace out, and go check out my mum's website. Peace out.